morning. Okay. Anyways, I am not prepared at all today. That's a good start. What's up, Marquet? How you doing? How are you? I'm gonna get 2 things ready. And hey, Ethan, what's up? Oh, nope, wrong thing. There we go. Last thing. Okay, I got my coffee. Let's look at the little wins, right? I do indeed have my coffee set up and ready for today. So that's great. I see that we had some, oh, good grief. Some crazy things happening. I updated Bob levels yesterday. We have a small new daily opening gap that has formed here. I have not marked out anything, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I apologize. Okay, let's do this and let's change the settings on this. Mamma jamma. New daily opening gap. Style. Do not extend right. Cool. Border. Pop that there and keep the middle line. Okay. So here's the new daily opening gap. Awesome source. Oh, that's not good, Ethan. Damn, okay. Doing what? How did you get a leg cramp? I'm, sorry about that. That sucks. New daily opening gap marked. I was so upset. So here around about there, I stopped the stream yesterday because the stream was just freaking out. I could have had 3 wins yesterday, so that was fun. That was fun. Just laying down and you got a leg cramp. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. Anywho. Sorry, you guys are getting the raw chaos that is Maya today. I hope you guys are all ready for this, but point is we are here for the markets, so let's do this thing. Okay. Here we have New York high. Here we have a New York low. Awesome. This new daily opening gap was then tapped into from yesterday, so I don't actually think this is relevant anymore, but I'll keep it there as a little bit of a magnet, if you will, even though it has been taken out a few times. Okay, it doesn't help that it's right by the Bob level as well. Oh no, Ethan, that sounds like it could be a cramp. Don't worry. Could definitely. Hey, Muya, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Hey, everybody. Ayo.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, so we got New York high, New York low. We have, damn, quite a bit of liquidity happening around here. We have now Asia high and Asia low. Here's Asia low. Sorry, just marking out everything. And I pull this Asia high. I know some people might disagree with me on that one. Awesome source. Done, done, and done. Okay, got our VWAP set up. Got our range. Awesome. Now, let's zoom in. Let's check out this. So, starting with 3 AM opening range, which is right here. Okay, there's 3 AM. That's a nice push down. This is a very nice push down. Let's see if we're going to get some continuation to the bear side, except this low-key looks like a bullish. Let's check higher time frames quickly. I'm just gonna block off everything so it's not too chaotic, especially if you are new here. Welcome to the chaos. Ethan feels like a cramp more line. My ankle. That's not. I have no idea what's going on now. What's up, GZF? How's it going? What do you mean you don't know what's going on? Just like in general? Or with all of this? I'm looking for bias towards sell side. Thought we were going to hold the 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, interesting. Berna? Well, NKX, what's up? How are you doing? How are you? Like I said, let's quickly have a look at the higher time frames. I mean, really nice bullish momentum. Well, that being said, we had a drop and a push during Asia session today. Let's see the 15 minutes. Retest, continuation back down would be quite nice to see. 1 hour. I come back down into VWAP before we go back up. Zoom out slightly. No? Okay, but that being said, ES has taken New York highs. So ES has indeed taken New York highs. Let's check the 4 hour as well. Oh. Now that does not look nice. That really does not look nice. Been waiting for the power of 3 since yesterday because that's my trading. Oh, nice. Okay, and nothing. Like I said, yesterday was just, yeah, yesterday was just not ideal, but it is what it is, right? You can't force every day to be amazing. Going to switch to the vertical stream. Okay, Ethan, go for it. 6997 for you. I'm sorry, what? You're thinking 6997, like up here. 6997. Here. Mike in? Spigolito, what's up? That is a very fun name to say. How are you doing? Sorry, that was a very random comment to make, but what's up? How are you doing? How goes it? Okay, so that was a bit further retest after taking out the highs over there. So let's see how this goes now. Let's see what happens. Let's do this. Let's do this. Nothing at all yesterday was crazy. Thought we were going to manipulate into the 4 hour fair value gap in reverse, but no. And right? Like I said yesterday, did I not? No, I didn't. I mean, yesterday it was just choppy. I did see this. As you can see, I actually would have had potentially 3 winning trades. Sorry, I didn't put them in order of where they were. That one is in order. These 2 are not in order, but I could have actually had 3 winning trades, but they were all B setups. And I wasn't even live. And my deal is that I do everything live so that there's no fooling anyone that I'm doing weird and wonderful things on the side, right? Oh, nice, Bigolito. So, where are you from? 7K. That is insanity. But let's do this. And let's now wait for confirmation. I was potentially looking at this short, but this is just going sideways. I mean, you guys saw the 4 hour. That 4 hour is just consolidating right now. Bronx, New York. Oh, nice. Isn't it like, well, 3 in the morning for you? Why are you awake? Literally, it's like 3 a.m. in the morning. Go to sleep. Curiosity, I guess, is getting the best of me with this. Would have the fair value gap and I guess a little bit of an order block, but that's about it. So yeah, this would only have 2 confluences, so that's very much a B setup. Maybe using the higher range. Let's see there. Larger range potentially because you add in the opening, but yeah, no, let's wait for confirmation. Oh, nice, bigger. I mean, there we go. Is that gonna help you sleep? Maybe ask that question. You're gonna get a good night's sleep from that. Looking Valentine's. Oh, thanks, Sammy. I appreciate it. I'm just in honesty trying not to die of heat. I feel like that's my only goal. It's a weird goal, but it's my only goal for today. I'm just trying not to die of heat. It's why my hair's not down for a change, because my hair is this sounds weird, but like thick and heavy. Sorry, that sounds weird if you're not a girl. You don't quite understand. But wow, it's a lot. It helps with learning. Oh, interesting. There we go. Really? How? So I've never heard anyone say that helps with learning before, so I'm like, okay. Yeah, this is why you only listen to your A+, hey? That would have been an instant fatality. Instant. Just... There we go. Okay, sorry, I'll stop being super weird. Okay, well there we go. Everyone has their own way of learning, right? I'm glad you have yours. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just slowly getting everything sorted for today. This looks then like it does potentially want to be up to this next level. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Up to the next high. Let's go for it. With hot heat, then the same. No, Ethan, I fully disagree. I'm so sick and tired of this heat. Oh, thanks, Sammy. I appreciate that. I mean, sweep that lows and broke through a 1-minute inversion. Oh, okay. So you're in for the bull. Nice, GZF. Let me know how it goes. Kyle, what's up? Kyle, I know it's quite nice. Well, it's better than yesterday. Yesterday was just hot. I don't even know. Yesterday was just heat mixed with death. At least it's a little bit overcast today, right? It's a little bit better. But anyway, Kyle, how are you doing? I'm from KZN side. What's up? So South Africa. Sorry, Spigolito. I'm South African. How's it going? But yes, it's hot. It's not as bad as yesterday. Hot though, but it is still indeed hot. If this now has a bit of a retest, this could actually be a goodie. Let's see, I have 1, 2. That inverse be seen as 3. Let's see. So you don't rush into things like chop, but one, two, three. Slowly down, fast up. That's what you want to see. Just hit the top there. If this retraces a little bit further down, this actually could be quite nice. Little order block and inverse fair value gap there. Okay. I'm gonna set it. Let's see. Let's see if it comes down far enough. I don't know if I'm getting into this a little bit too soon. I'm gonna watch ES and see how it reacts at this level. Let's go further in. How does this look on the 5-minute? I'm quickly just gonna jump betwixt. Okay. 5 minutes still hasn't taken the high, but that was a really, really good push up. Hey! Hey, Bug! No, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm in the blues. We can retest the inverse and shoot up. That's kind of what I want. Boom! No! It left without me. Damn. Okay. It ran away. Can't say I didn't set it though. Just saying. Can't say I didn't set it. If it does come back, I can still attempt to get in this. If being the keyword. Because this will still be really nice. Still hasn't taken the... Nope, wrong one. Is this just going to keep running away? Potentially. This might just keep running away, but this now is definitely an A+ setup for me. So it's A+, I've said it, I leave it alone. Put a jacket. Boom, I don't mean to be that person, but it's hotter than hell here today. So, oh, hey Carl, don't worry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up, how are you doing? Shoot. This needs to go a tiny bit higher. Tiny bit. $16, that's fine. That's fine. It's an A+ setup. I'll leave it alone. Oh, Boom Banana's over here being a sassy pants today. What's up, Boom? How you been? Has anyone else said that you have a person? I'm good, thanks for asking. Okay, cool. Yeah, Kyle. How long have I been trading? Not even a year yet. It's a year in April, which is exciting. Why is this looking like a double top on ES? I'm keeping an eye on this. 71. 2, let's see. Okay. Sorry, this is now not accurate. Hit you. Hit you. No. What did I do? Stop that. Just moving my TP higher. Okay, I'll stop messing with that. You guys can see where the TP is. Moving on. Future Trunks, I'm not in, unfortunately. Hey, Trade Delicious, what's up? You started last month. Wow. Blew my account 3 times. That's, you know, trying to be disciplined. Well, welcome. This is definitely, is it Adele or Adele? Sorry, I don't want to assume things. But if you want, you are more than welcome to join the Discord. I've started something. I know a lot of people probably won't use it, but I'm going to use it. It's called the... What's it called? What is it called? Give me a second. Your accountability. That's what it is. Oh, wait. I lied. I see you have joined, right? Your accountability. So it basically holds you accountable so you know, keep your discipline. And properness. Yeah, impressive. Oh, thanks, Future Trunks. I appreciate that. It's adult, not adult. Is it adult? What? Is that right? Did I absolutely butcher that? I'm so sorry. Started 4 years ago, never blown an account, but never got a payout. That's impressive, though. Never blown an account. That's impressive. If I do say so. Damn. Like I said, never blown an account is thoroughly, like, well done. Well done. Because same as you, adult. Now I feel bad. Anyways, no, I don't know. Have you tried put the freezer door open towards you, Samuel? I might have to. That might be the next step. Because holy guacamole. Like I said, it's not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday I was completely unimpressed with just life itself, but it's fine. Like I said, this is a nice setup. I don't know if it's gonna come this far back down. And if it does... yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. Like I said, it is an A+ setup for me. Now it's just hands off, leave it alone. Yeah, stuck in break even. Oh, future trunks, but that's not bad. So what's happening that's stopping it from going to that next level? Sorry if that's maybe like a personal question. Bearish dive here. In case I remember crazy news event on funded trade I'd already passed. Couldn't close my order price. Couldn't kill my account. What the heck, man? Papa Truck, that's not okay. Were you in a trade when TradeView went down? No, I was not. I was not, thank heavens. My stop is at your O level. Oh, damn, okay. Okay, so if it goes that far down, you're good. How hot is it? Samuel, I mean, yesterday the real feel was 41 degrees Celsius, if I'm not mistaken. That was the real feel of yesterday. Confirmation from bearish. Shoot. So I'm just looking at this. We're taking out external, internal, external, internal. Sugar honey iced tea. It's an A+ setup, leave it alone. Trading MNQ, I always get confused with the ticker. Yes, Mike M, yeah, MNQ. So the micro Nasdaq futures, tis the one that I trade. Okay. Leave it alone, leave it alone. Oh, thanks, then. Risking $400 on this account. If it reaches previous day high, I'll be up 1.6 for the day. Nice. Okay, okay. So that's your goal, for it to go all the way up there. Yeah, that's a pretty damn good goal, if I do say so myself. Let's see what this does. Like I said, this is an A+ setup. So I must just leave it alone now. It's nearly tapped into the inverse fair value gap there. Wanted to at least get to there to work out how to do the partials on TradingView. Now, I've been so used to Project X. It is doing what I like to see. Oh. Okay. Yes, but I'm gonna trail my stop. Hey Wayne, what's up? How you doing? Why? Hello? Thank you. Awesome. That was weird. Moving on. I'm gonna see, sorry, I don't actually know how to do like partials and stuff doing this, so what just happened? What just happened? Oh, there we go. No, but not 7. I want to change this. Okay. Will it allow me to do this? So I'm figuring out TradingView. Don't mind me. I've been so used to doing Project X for a while. Hey no, come on, that was a nice rejection that I wanted to see. Oh, okay. So that happened. That's okay. Why is it so slow? Oh, it's my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is so slow. Okay, well, that's not what I wanted to see, but it is what it is. We get a loss, we get a loss. It's fine, all part of the game. I just have to keep reminding myself that. My risk management is keeping me at break even, which is good. Oh, future trunks, but that's not bad then. That's really not bad. Do I leave runners? I do, actually, so... Heavens. For this one, I actually want to leave 3. So I'm only going to leave 1 runner here. If it gets there, like, I'm busy messing with this like it's gonna get there. Maybe it doesn't. It's fine. No, why can it not change? Oh, unless I just do this. I move that up there. And I take more. Again, sorry. I've gotten so used to Project X. Where it's low-key easier to do this, but whatever. So... Stop! You'll get to witness me having many freakouts trying to do this. Let's see how this goes. There we go. 3, 3, and then there should be 1 left. Okay. And around here is 50%. That's where I'll mitigate my risk by half. If it gets there, being the key word, it did tap into my level in the inverse fair value gap now. Let's see if we get that nice rejection. That's what I'm wanting to see. Okay. Damn, lots of lines, by the way. Yeah, hey, Mac, how you doing? Sorry. I've missed a lot. Okay, I'm still posting Instagram at the what? What broker am I using? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. Yeah, Top 1 Futures is the broker I'm using. Or the prop firm, sorry. The prop firm I'm using. Dude, bigger than like 1 centimeter. About to higher. What? I've missed things again, but it's fine. I'm just gonna continue. Okay, not quite at the midpoint yet, so can't mitigate risk by half yet. Stick to the rules, right? But we're in this. What did I miss? What is my account size? 50k. Yeah, I'm using a 50k challenge. DJ Oblivion, yes. Yeah, 100%. That's what I do. I sit here and I learn. Was that? Now I have questions. Was that around 50%? Around 154? Oh, this is around midway. Not quite. It was close to midpoint. Just missed it. I feel like it's close enough to mitigate my risk by half, though. Okay. Mitigating risk by half. Sorry, for those that are new, what's up? So I have a 1 to 2R strategy. When it reaches around the 1 to 1R level, I mitigate my risk by half. And I take partials at the top and I leave 1 runner. So I've left 1 runner to the Asia high. So let's see how this goes. That's the awesome bit because you're teaching as you learn. Oh, thank you, DJ. Yeah. 26352 TP. Sorry, what? Oh, yeah, no, 100%, 100%. I don't know why it actually said that, but Yeah, no, definitely not 600 trades. Maybe it's like in... That doesn't sound right either. Hey, James, what's up? So this is the one and only trade that I've taken today. Let's see. Let's see. It did reach the 1-to-1 level, so I've mitigated risk by half. Let's see if this now comes to take me out. But I am in this trade, so let's see. Hey Travis, what's up? Yeah, do that. It seems that I'm going to stay in that range for a while. It may go down. Samuel? 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 Can we be positive, please? Thank you very much. Let's be positive people. Good grief. Work for a $500 start. I mean, I guess so. Why not, DJ? I mean, if you're willing to, yeah, I think it would. I haven't moved my stop yet. Holding still. Okay. See, now you're making me question things. No, but no. I'm sticking to my rules, right? 90% of it is about discipline. My rules say at 1-to-1 R, mitigate risk by half. So I'm leaving it. I know some people say it might actually be better to just leave my stop where it is, but yeah, I'm leaving it. Oh, DJ, no, go for it. Please ask any questions. Feel free. Like I said, if I don't know the answer, which sometimes might very much be likely, if I don't know it, someone in this amazing community is bound to know it. Right? We have a lot of seasoned traders. I don't know if that's the right word. We have a lot of amazing traders that have been doing it for years, that have been helping me through this whole thing. It's how I've gotten so far. 100%. It's just because of them. That is the only reason why I've gotten so far. 22 hours? What the? Is that right? Is it 22 hours? Was that the point of your name? Or did I butcher that? No, do your thing. I'm not scalping this position. I'm holding for previous. That's valid. That's valid. Oh gosh, English. Anyways, yeah, the community is awesome. Heck yeah. Future Trunks, you do ICT, right? I'm assuming by you saying ICT, that ICT is your thing. Oh, we are stuck in this range. Sure, this could shoot down and take me out, or it could shoot. I feel like this is a bit of a deciding point right now. How much fun for me to be in this. Oh well, it's hands off. We made a new high, so it's moving in your direction, but afterwards, eventually. Okay, Samuel, what's your current state as you sit in this trade? Calm, 1 to 10, confident, 1 to 10. Calm? Like 10 is panicking or 10 is super calm? Okay, I'm gonna, sorry, let me elaborate. I'll say 1 is super calm, 10 is I'm about to jump out a window. I'd say I'm like a 2. Yeah, I'm pretty chilled about whatever happens. Confident, I'd say like a 5. It's a 50-50. I feel like this could go either direction now, but I have mitigated risk by half, so yeah. I was pretty confident taking the trade. I was really good with my rules. I said it's an A+, I'm taking it, and I put the correct amount of contracts and so I'm happy with regards to that. That's a good one. Future Trunks, do I speak French? I know like 2 things in French. Je ne sais pas. That's like it. and obviously like oui. Oh, hey Demonte, how you doing? The buyers don't have the volume right now. Knox. Oh damn, you're right. Huh. Listen here, Knox, when did you get so smart? Ekashai, what's up? Future psychology is much better when there's another side of income. I guess that's true. Hey Rhymes, what's up? Don't get feared because it'll make you make bad decisions. No, GZF, that's literally why I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on the psychology and literally they just said, you know, sometimes it's boring, but you have your rules and you stick to your rules and try not to let the emotions take over. I am very well aware that it's so much easier said than done. So much easier said than done, but that's why, like I said, I saw there was an A+ setup, so, and I took it. Regardless of what happens, it was an A+ setup, so I took it. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, 10 being super calm and 10 being super confident. Damn, okay, well, anyways. Do I know any Greek? No, I don't know any Greek. I am half Portuguese, but I do not know any Portuguese. Oh, poopies. Oh well. Trying to work out at the moment where I sit with long-term stocks and day trading, high risk. Let's say S&P over 2 to 5 years. Hold for inflation or trade. What would you think? Okay. Okay. So oh, it's gonna hit my stop. And out. Okay, out. I feel like they should all be out. There we go. Yeah, honestly. Okay, so that was a half loss. But it was an A+ setup. Half loss. Let me make a note there. Shoot. Oh well. On to the next trade. Close and close. Damn. Okay, yeah, trading view is very slow. Okay, on to the next one. I feel like I need to put like a little half there, but I'll put that there. That's a half loss. How we're looking. So down to 213, that's fine. It actually helps to kind of have the numbers down there. Then you don't kind of get fixated on how the numbers are looking. Okay, now I wait for confirmation. Let's see if this is gonna just keep being choppy. If this doesn't go all the way down, I might feel a little bit like a chop, but it is what it is. Nope, nope, never mind. As I said that, it was like, bet. Let me show you. Okay. Can't be upset about it though. It was indeed an A+ setup. Let me quickly pop this in the Discord. Whee! Okay. There it is. Is the Wi-Fi being shockingly slow? Franks, on to the next. Exactly, guys. Exactly. That's all you can do. Oh, yeah. See, that would have been a full loss. So, excuse me. No, no. No, no, no. Okay, anyways. Hey, Rip, what's up? Moisuito, what's up? How are you doing? You're new and you want to learn. I would say start with market structure. Sweet and simply, market structure. Me smart now? I do good. Nox, you do so good. Oh, that was good. It's still when you're really good going. I like checking on your lives. Oh, thanks, GZF. You're so sweet. Okay. GZF, now I'm watching your trade, no pressure. I'm now watching your trade. Interesting, maybe I should have used the full range. No? Woulda, shoulda, coulda is very easy to say. Let's watch what this does. Let's get some more confirmation. What time are we looking at right now? It's 3:40. It's nearly 4 a.m. Let's see where this goes. It does look like it's going to close below, which means it might want to take out the low before continuation back up to the high. We are definitely stuck in a bit of a range right now. Do I speak Portuguese? I don't speak Portuguese. I wish. I have been to Portugal. I have way too many family members in Portugal, but I do not speak Portuguese. I think my parents attempted to teach my sister, gave up, and that was it. Liquidity grab at the swing high, a dump now. It's still ranging on ES. The sell volume, nicely done, is just a little bit higher than the buy volume right now. I get the growth. What the up? Hi, love from Brazil. Hi. We're holding that 5 minute fair value gap. Oh no. GZF, can you not like maybe exit early? No. Rip, this is the first trade I've taken. Oh, but it was an A+ setup. So I set it and I left it and I stuck with my rules. So even though it was a half loss because it went up to midpoint, so I mitigated risk by half. So it was a half loss. And I'm fine with that. Get in fast and get out. Plus the 9 EMA. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna do some sad music. There we go. We have the same idea there. No, I'm not unfunded yet, bro. I haven't passed the eval. Oh, Jose, what's up? Now I'm still holding. Samuel, see. Okay. Well, so Samuel, what I'm understanding is that this is your fault because you said this was gonna go down. Why weren't you positive and saying no, this is definitely gonna go and hit your TP before it goes down? I'm just gonna sit here and blame Samuel. How rude. I'm joking. I blame absolutely no one. I see you lost. Was gone for 2 minutes. That's rude, but also I only lost half. I did mitigate risk by half. I stuck with my rules. So it's fine. Okay, buy it to 52.8. Still valid trade for me, just testing that level. That's valid. Samuel, no, don't. I'm messing with you. I'm not blaming you at all. I'm totally messing with you. I promise. I promise. Okay. Let's do this. We still got plenty of time. Do you think the market's just gonna stay choppy like this? Which of the famous essays apparently gibberish. Apparently I can't even speak English, but anyways. I can speak Afrikaans. I can speak, oh my gosh, things are irritating me today. I can speak Afrikaans. I know some, no, I'm gonna lie, I'm not gonna say I know some Zulu. I know some Zulu words. Like I know what a motorbike is in Zulu. He said tu. I just think it's so, I remember that from grade 1. Just to give you an idea, it's stuck with me. I don't know why. But you know, there's obviously Google and things like that, but... Little ranges. Yeah, Jose. Hey, maybe 20, what the? Hi, boy. What, am I wrong? Is this correct? Did I say it wrong? I feel like I maybe said it wrong, but I remember that from grade 1. What's up? How are you doing? Having such a good giggle. Oh, at least we're having fun. Shoot. Like I said, I didn't hate this trade. Watch it now go up. Maybe I should have used the full range. I'll just take note of that in my journal. I mean, there would have been entry. It would have reached midpoint, so I would... Nope, this would have taken me out regardless of if it was that or that. Nope, never mind. This would have been a half loss regardless of what I did. So let's see. Do you know what I need? I need that damn sound because...
Nice.
I need that damn sound. That was That was shots fired right there. That was okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Moving on. O2 sensor? Is there a faster way to lose money? Yeah, you can just give it all to me. Moving on. I'm messing with you, don't do that. But anyways, you trade London session. Hey, it was. I trade London and New York session, yeah. Is it a bearish or bullish structure? Looking at the 1 minute time frame only. It's sideways. But 1 minute time frame, it's still going bullish side. Not looking at higher time frames. Higher time frames, it's still bullish on the higher time frames, but looking 1 minute time frame only. I mean, for me, this is actually, I was thinking this when I got into this trade, but we did have this nice rebound, so I thought maybe we're gonna start. It's actually some sad price action where it's taking out external, internal, external. So potentially some internal is going to be taken out again, or not. Maybe it now starts to go up, which just feels low-key rude, but it's fine. Straight for the throat, damn. No, honestly, Boom came here and was like, I'm just gonna start some drama. After sidewave, it will again bullish. Hey, anime art, what's up? Anime art, do you really do anime art? But I thought indices like Nasdaq were perfectly on the New York session. Oh, they do. It's why I trade both London and New York. I've actually been enjoying London. I say that this week New York has been better. London hasn't been amazing this week. Asia session this week has been like on fire. I haven't traded Asia session though, but Asia session just looks like it's been pumping. I don't know what's been happening, but Asia session has just been like, absolutely. London has been consolidating, and I mean, to be fair, New York hasn't been amazing either. So Asia session apparently this week is the place to be. Is Nasdaq going to take the previous day London high? How come, that's what I suspect. Is it guaranteed? No, but I suspect it. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out. This just low-key looks like it's coiling right now. Literally coiling. That's great. But it's fine. Look for big candles and they map your path. On the higher time frame, Samuel, I'm assuming? NQ is playing the people a little bit, Jay-Z. Jay-Z? GZF. I'm sorry, I don't know why I called you Jay-Z. Anyways, moving on. Mac, is this the price action? It was! Mac, this is exactly what I was talking about. Yeah. Remember I said it's the sad price action, right? Because it takes out, I mean, you can see here, it took out, well, technically it made like made equal lows, not relative equal lows, but anyways, took out the external, took out internal, took out external. So it sounds bad, but I actually wouldn't be surprised if it came and took out the internal again. If it does, then it might be hands off until we get confirmation that we are sticking with a trend in a specific direction. Even this may have taken me out, even if I did a short here. No, what am I doing? Yeah, see, nothing I do right now would have resulted in a win. So to have a half loss then, theoretically, is not bad. If it had gone with some speed and some oomph, it could have been a win. Oh well. It's just pure pump, no retracement for us to enter. Oh, never mind then, Future Trunks. That's actually then not ideal. Watch how the trend line trades get played. This trend line? Is this what you're talking about, GZ? Well, it's a little bit more like that, hey? Damn, that was a drop. Okay, okay then. Oh, wow. Wow, you guys. 1 minute and 5 for scalping. Michael Jackson eating popcorn, rip, honestly. Yes, that takes me out of pure seek and destroy. Yeah, 100%, Jay. I agree with you. This feels like seek and destroy price action right now, which is obviously not great, but it's fine. Anyways, it will go more down. It moved on to beta. Okay, I'm out. Terrible price action today. See you all at New York. Ah, oh, cheers, Moya. Yeah, I agree. Price action today, disgusting. So theoretically then, I'm low-key glad I only got taken out for half risk. Alright, lost like $100. That's not bad. Actually, less. No, around $100. That's not bad, right? It could have been a whole lot worse. Sticking to the rules works. So I'm... No, wait for confirmation. So I just... Did you see the little brain malfunction there? Because I went, here could be a nice setup. But no, let's wait for confirmation. Let's not be dumb. If I enter in on this, that's just gambling. Wait for confirmation, wait for the correct price action, or else you are just being a silly goose. We are not silly geese here. We are traders. I don't know why I'm being so, but yes, we're not silly geese. We are traders here, so we wait for our ideal price action and then we enter. Well, oh, I'm getting burned. Damn, what are you talking about? I've never said anything mean to you like that. Boom, damn. What the heck? Y'all are hating each other. Like, I'm here. Rip, are you here for the popcorn? I'm just here for the tea. By tea, I'm drinking my coffee and watching the chaos unfold right now. Your house is on fire. You can only save one pet, cat or dog. Well, I mean, I only have a dog, so pretty easy. To be fair, I'd probably let myself burn before I let any of my animals burn. So, I'll save them both and let myself just go into the flames. Just wait, Sammy. No, don't worry, I'm waiting. We still have a plethora of time. See, I'm using big words to sound smart. I'm here for you. Oh, damn, when Rip comes with his little murky things, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I get all keys. Moving on. No, I don't hate cats. I really don't. You saw, I even showed you a cute little picture of a cat. I mean, it did bite me, but still. I nearly rescued a kitten the other day. And then I was told I can't have cats here, so I was like, how rude. I was very upset, but it's fine. Plethora of patience, exactly. No, Boom! Guys, look what you did. You scared Boom away. Boom, come back. You got some snowflake. You get happy. You're going to the store. What's up, Tony? How you doing? Smoker, am I rich? No. Snowflake trigger happy mods. That's quite funny, sorry. Just that definition. But thank you, Tony. I appreciate it. Are you guys okay? My great goodness, y'all are on a mission today. Damn. Like, the price action's all over the place. You guys are just going cray-cray. Why? Why are you guys going cray-cray? Criticize the word. Good grief. Anyways, I'm gonna set this up out of curiosity. Like I said, I'm not gonna take it even though it actually potentially looks nice. That being said, I haven't even checked on the higher time frames. Let's maybe double check higher time frames before I lie. I do and don't like these things, but it's fine. 5 minutes. Ew. Just ew. What the heck, man? Wow. Wow. Cool. Just amazing. 1 hour. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour is basically a doji. That's awesome. That's cool. That's cool. That's what you want to see. And let's check out the 4 hour. And that's not okay. Missed my stop. No ways! Jeezy, you're still in this? What? I'm jealous of everyone who has not met. I'm glad there aren't anyone here because I'm about to say some really bad swear words. Clark? Why? What are you gonna say? What you gonna do? There we go, and let's do 1 day quickly. Oh damn, okay, so on the daily it took out this volume imbalance. So I don't know the daily that well, obviously. I don't normally have a look at the daily as often as probably I should. Do the volume imbalances on the daily have as great of an impact as they do on the previous or on the lower time frames? GCF, go long and hold strong. Man, is rough. Let's make sure. No, he's good. Okay. Let's go back to the 1 minute. And hide all of this. Taken that out. Hasn't quite taken there. Like I said, this would be for short. I'm not taking this because I'm not trusting this price action right now. But let's see. I want to see mounts on good channels like yours. Thanks, Tony. You're so sweet. I really appreciate that. I would say it's similar. Hey, OTT, what's up? I was gonna say, you're not trading this, but I forgot you're no longer trading London, right? Trainings practice, whatever they do on the 1 minute, they do on the 1 hour, and so on. Oh, interesting. Okay, okay. I think it does. Journal it. Thanks, Jose. No, I definitely will. Watch this now go and work out. No, but there was a valid reason for not taking it. It's because this price action is a little bit all over the place. This could have very easily potentially been a loss. So, hands off. Leave it alone. Wait for confirmation. I bought gold yesterday, exited early when I woke up. No! Hyperdrive, that's not okay! Good grief. I'm not even home, out enjoying the rain. It's raining? It's raining. Hey, Mudcrab. What's up? Hey, Cara. If Cara's there. How you doing, Cara? Which way? You're a married man. Which is what? And the weirdness has started. Okay, let's do this thing. Anyways.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Let's do this. It's hot as hey diddly day here. Oh no, as I said that the sun came out. What did I say? This price action is just being so mean. Sorry. Wow. Snow here. Franks, do you want to like send me some snow? I wouldn't hate having a little bit of snow right now. I actually think being cold will be better for me and my hua. GZ, are you still in this? Is GZ still here? Are you still in this? This would have hurt my feelings. Damn, well that's been taken, I think. Let's see what this does here. Ben, I'm not answering that because I'm gonna get yelled at. What? They call you Tree Fair? What? What? Is it not supposed to be Papa Tribe? Is that... Have I been saying it wrong? But I love it. 1, 2, yes, the sun will come out tomorrow. No. Mudcrab, yes, pineapple belongs on pizza. But I know that will upset some people, but no. No. Hey, 1010, what's up? How's it going? Pineapple on pizza is fun. Again, you know, I am very much, it's the same. I have the same concept with life. You do what makes you happy, right? For me, it's the same with strategies. Not everyone has the same strategy. It's not gonna work for everyone. Just like not everyone's gonna like pineapple on pizza. But it works for some people. Sorry, we're getting very... I think I lost a follower for saying I like pineapple on pizza. That's hilarious. Oh, there's a volume imbalance. Let's see how it reacts here at this volume imbalance. I mean, the entry would have been a little bit risque, but... Again, I'm not doing anything because this price action sucks. Can we please pick a direction and head in that direction? Please. Oh well. Good to get confirmation that this is just not working for me today. Oh well. I've been powered. Oh no, who did that? David! Did David do that? Oh, who was it? Was it DeMonte? Hawaiian pizza. There we go. Yes, exactly. Hawaiian pizza. It's not me. 2040. 240 is a strong level. Really is. Why am I being so blunt? Here, right here. It says it right there. Okay. Watch this now work out. But that being said, it's fine. Rip, are you still here? Rip, are you taking any trades? 1010, I agree with your statement, but I do not like pineapple on pizza. And that's valid. You're all allowed your opinions. That's fine. To be fair, South Africa... I don't know if it's just South Africa. South Africa has some weird pizza combinations. I don't know if it's just a South African thing. I really don't know. Spiffacino, what's up? Make that before even on a possible downtrend. Jose, I'm not even going to attempt to take a I don't even want to say a guess. a suspicion of where this is going to go. I suspect that this was going to go for Asia high and New York high up there. I mean, there's a lot. There's yesterday's daily high, but this is literally just going sideways. It was doing that seek and destroy price action. Now it's just kind of coiling. This is just stay the heck out of it price action. I mean, here I would have mitigated risk by half, so I guess that's good. But it's about to hit, well, it has, not about to, it hit that resistance level there. Let's see what it does now. Maybe this is a winning trade, in which case maybe we're gonna get a sense of, heck yeah, we actually picked a direction. Nope, we're going back down. Never mind. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Tony C. Jordy, what the are you doing? I'm sitting on my hands right now. Yep. Me too. Hey, Eddie. So I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Monte, banana on pizza. I have heard bacon. Yes, yeah. Jordy, bacon and banana. See, this is what I mean. South Africa has a very weird variety of pizzas. There's been nacho pizza, like where there's nachos and the ingredients for nachos on a pizza. Yeah. I really have no grounds to complain. Gold has been good for me for 11 days straight today. It's just been a weird day, but I've been very disciplined. Oh, mud crab. Well done. Lisa Lee, which broker am I using and how fast are the withdrawals in SA? Well, I'm using Chop One Futures. As for the withdrawals, I don't want to lie because I haven't made one yet. But I've heard, I don't know. You know, I've been enjoying them so far. All the prop firms in my description below are SA friendly. I mean, Violin is having an amazing sale. I think it's actually more than 84%. I think it's 89% sale. I actually have to update that. Violin is having a 89. Give me a second. This feels valid right now. This is what the brain's doing. Anyways, Violinox is having an 89% sale currently as well. So if you guys want to use any of the prop firms in the description below, you're more than welcome to use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, and you can then get some discounts. Sorry, that's my spiel done. Moving on. Nox, mod meeting. What's happening? All the mods here today, what's the occasion? I said that before, saying again, just because you can kiss your cousin and might feel good doesn't mean you should do that. Same exact thing with fruits on pizza. Wow, rip. What? Maya's greatest strength is her discipline. That's fine. Aw, thank you, Mudcrab. I really appreciate that. Free that to join the live. Ocean. Here for my dog, I get it. Nachos on pizza. I'll be there. Workers asking for my strongly worded resignation letter today. Oh no. Why? What's it doing? Jordy, what happened? I was subscribed on my other account for quite some time, but you know. Aw, thanks Tony. You're such a sweetie. I really appreciate it. I miss a lot. Now, tomatoes, fruits, or vegetables, they are fruits. Demonte. We need an India mod party. Guys, I think we should have like a little... We can... Do you know what? I think we have to have a Discord, and there's a game on Discord where it's like you play putt-putt, and it's so much fun, and you can... It's chaotic. I think we should all do that. Just one day where it's not so much about trading. We just all get together and we play putt-putt. I don't actually know how many people can play, but it's fun. It's lots and lots of fun. I think that'll be a good old time. Why am I here? Just to suffer. Jordy, no! I'm serious. They have it. I really want to see the breakout. JZF, me too. Why? Sorry, I'm just checking this. Shame. Okay. for meeting about whether or not to keep weird crab dude around. Mud crab? No, leave the crab dude, he's fun. Hey Ace Ventura. Aww. Ace Ventura, you're such a sweetie, thank you. I've changed my name to... But... Oh, what's up, Tyler? Why'd you change your name? Just out of curiosity. Boodlenox has been around as long as Topstep, but Boodlenox has a great path to live. Any firms with daily payouts? Mr. Mantis, not in South Africa that I know of. I know, flip, what is it? Oh my gosh. Not in South Africa. No ways, this one would have been a freaking winning trade. You little bluxum. Seriously? Okay, well, no, I had a valid reason for not taking it. Yes, some Afrikaans came out there. I had a valid reason for not taking it. This price action is not ideal. I took my A+ setup here. This was... I had 1, 2... This was a B setup, so it's fine. It's valid to not take this. Sit on hands until you get more confirmation that this is indeed headed in a specific direction, and it's not just being a sad price action. Okay. Go from the friend and... what did I just read? My crab, what did I just read? My brain... What? Live live. English is hard. English or hard. Sorry. I'm not sure. Get bored. I mean, that's valid. Did I trade FOMC? No, not really, Tyler. I mean, I did. I hopped on. So let me show you. Beep, 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 beep. Here we go. Hopped on. It was kind of all over the place. I'm glad I didn't, because this would have taken me out. And then my Wi-Fi had a moment and the price action wasn't ideal, but later on I was still watching. I could have actually had 3 wins here. This was perfectly working out. Like I said, there would have been 3 wins in that situation, but oh shoot, here's another one, 4. It's fine, right? It's fine. And I wasn't live, and my deal has always been that I do everything live so that everyone can see that I'm not here like making money. Like everything I do is live. I want this to be a situation of everyone's here for the journey. I'm not doing anything behind people's backs. Like, this is all very open and honest. Like I said, if you want to see my balance, there it is. I have absolutely nothing to hide. This is the open, honest journey of a new trader. The Earth Market, what's up? How are you doing? Jace, tell me about my setup. Sure, I can tell you about my setup. Sweet and simply, I'm gonna keep it like simple words. If you want me to elaborate, I'm more than welcome to, but sweet and simply, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. I need 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. Anything less than that is like a B setup, and I do not take it. But A+ setups, we are good for gold. Obviously, does it work out 100% of the time? No, like this one was an A+ setup. I did only lose half because with my rules, when it reaches 1-to-1R, I mitigate risk by half. So I had a half loss here, not a full loss. So that was quite cool. Yeah. If you want me to elaborate more on the confluences, feel free to ask. I can also do that. Always a next time. No, that's exactly right. There's always a next time. There's always another trade. I need to remind myself that there's no rush and that it's one day at a time, right? I listen to the song, oh my. Hey, Ocean, you, what's up? Oh. Okay, Mudcrab, you're hurting my brain right now. Yoda, okay, cool. It's an Eminem song. Oh! Got it. Good morning from Middle America. What's up, Dustin? How you doing? But for real, it's actually an Eminem song. Oh, good grief, Maya, did you pass the prop eval? No. No. I'm close. I don't know if you can see, I'm on 52,213. Like I said, I wasn't able to trade Monday, Tuesday, and obviously yesterday either because of FOMC. The price action was disgusting. So this has been the first trade since last week. Now with a half loss, but it's fine. We still have New York session. We still have time. I mean, this price action's not price actioning right now, but it is what it is. Maybe New York will give us something good. Yeah, you have coffee today. I do. I do. How long have I got left? Well, like, what's that, like $700-ish? Okay, I want you to pay attention to a thing, because that can mess you up a bit. When you place those R position on display but don't take the trade, you have no right to say it worked. Why? Why? Give me a why. What money? And how do you manage it? Hey, Child Witcher, what's up? I personally haven't made anything yet. I'm still on an eval account. I'm still fairly new to trading. I would say I'm profitable, but yeah. Anyways, but what would be fair to say if you are, what would be fair to say could be your earnings per day as a day trader? Like $100 to $200 a day, depending, you know, give or take the red days and things like that. Is that like a fair estimate? I would say, and obviously depending on your strategy and your win rate and I would say around $100 to $200 a day. Could be more, could be less, depending on the week, depending on the price action, depending on the discipline. There's a lot that goes into it. It's quite, yeah, it's not as simple as, cool, I made money and I'm gonna consistently make this much every single day. Maybe for some people. New York session looks like Seek and Destroy. What, yesterday's? Or today? Please don't say today. Are you talking about London session right now? Talking about prop rooms, go funded. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm confused, Demonte. Anyways, sometimes yes. Physics is a wonderful thing. Good grief. Cara. Thank you, Cara. I agree, they are super weird sometimes, but it's fine. We're gonna carry on. Did Rip respond? I don't think Rip responds. Same, I told her it's banned, you know. So, wait. Can you not use Violin on TradingView? Why? What do they use? Wait, real response because the fake position has no value to you, but you might think they mean something. Sorry, I keep misreading. Wait, Rip, there we go. There's Rippy Boy. Okay. Okay. Focus on the trades you have real risk on because those fake positions have no value to you, but you might think they mean something and you're setting yourself up that way. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's then gonna mess with my mind thinking that maybe the B setups are correct setups when they're not correct setups. That makes sense. That makes sense. Starts to mess with the psychology. That's valid. That is valid. They feed something that needs to die. Or ego. Oh, I have an ego. As you took. Not if I would have, it would have worked means nothing. Guys, apparently I have an ego. Hey, Lord Brief. Yes, I am South African. Don't stop until you're up 1k or down 2k. Anyways, Demonte, moving on. $300 a day. There we go. But yes. But apparently it's all of us, me included. That's valid. I've made 7.4k in 15 days back from trading since holidays. That's impressive. Narnia? I mean, I could be from Narnia. You guys don't know. Oh yeah, Nox, don't worry. I'm used to Rip giving me hard lessons. It's a good thing. It's mean, but it's a good thing. Big bully. Is anyone using this? Yes, Jordy, LP is. I know LP uses Buellanox. Do you want to maybe message him? Wait until the account locks me out about liquidity. Oh, okay. If you're understanding what Rip is saying, that's higher than amateur. Oh, I appreciate that. I do understand what he's saying. You know, the woulda, shoulda, coulda is not good for the psychology. Unless you placed it on an A+ setup and didn't take it. But then you should have taken it because it was an A+ setup, right? See, so, yeah, don't mess with the psychology by saying, oh, damn, I could have done this or I should have done this. If you see an A+ setup, take it like I did there. I did overthink it because I was looking at the price action, but I still took it. Which is a good step for me. Normally I wouldn't have, and I would have like mitigated risk by half, and, which is a problem. It's what I'm working on. So even though it was a small loss, it was still a win, in my opinion, because I saw the A+ setup and I took it. Sorry, I'm talking myself through that as well. I will also add it to the journal, obviously. Oh, there we go. Demonte uses Buellanox. Hey, Ace again. What's up? How you doing? Oh, you love South Africans, great people. Thank you. Lord, where are you from? Ooh, I had like a little stutter there. Ego when you put on with... Danny console. Yes, 100%. This is just chippy chop. I swear trading is better than therapy if you're willing to actually learn. Oh, 100% Nox. No, this reveals everything about you, which is why I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't think ego is the correct word, Rip. I got many things, but an ego ain't one. Believe me, I'm a shy little human being. If I go out in public, yeah. Implements Australia is one big. Someone has to do it, I guess. Yesterday you didn't take the A+ and you regretted it, so I agree. You take A+ setups. Exactly. Place them only when you took real risk, real position, and then you only talk about it. Okay, that's valid. I'm from Russia. Hey, that's cool. How is Russia right now? Maybe that's a bit of a... Maybe we don't ask that question. I don't know. How's it go? I have Ninja Traders. If you have Ninja Trader and pay to link it to TradingView, then you can, but then only use the rhythmic connection to Ninja Trader. There would have been 5 winning trades there, and that's lying to yourself. Just a small thing to be careful to. No, but that's valid. Thanks, Rip. I do appreciate that. Mad love. Thank you, Rip. Don't forget to press that like button to support Rip in bullying me. No, I'm joking. He's not bullying me. He's helping me, right? This is Teach Maya Trading. This is about learning and pushing through... I don't want to say issues, because issues sounds bad. But essentially, you know, this is all about learning, pushing past things that you didn't even know you had. Oh, Nox! I feel like I need to put Nox in a timeout now. Hey Zane, what's up? A lot of yapping, but does that make sense? Can you record those that you took risk on? What I thought you were about to say. Pay for the Ninja Trader, add on to TradingView. Yesterday was ridiculous. No, 100%. Zane, did you actually get a trade in? But for real, if you understand what we're saying, then you've made it over that much. Oh, thank you, Mud Crab. See, at least someone's nice to me, damn. Anyways. When you're paying for TradingView, so do I cancel that and just pay NT type of thing? Oh, Jordy, maybe. Bounty on my head? What's up? How long have I been trading? Not even a year yet. Yeah. Nox? Yeah, Nox boy, saying I have an ego. Now you're making me feel a little shy. Now I feel like I need to just sit here and be quiet. And not have an ego. Hey Tana, what's up? Okay, famous David, what's up? Am I being too nice? Sorry, also no. Anyways, we have a David Brady. No trade rate was down and Lucid did end up paying back $150. Oh damn! That's not good. Okay. I'm a fire, but I won't burn you. I'll burn only what you are not. So you're a magical fire. That was so lame. I feel like I need to put myself like in a, I don't know, like a minute of silence for that. There's nothing wrong with having ego, you just need to learn how to control it. That's valid. Where am I in the trading journey? Ups and downs, making money consistently, or just trying to figure it all out? See, like this situation, I don't even want to say I'm profitable because I don't feel like I'm profitable, but I am technically profitable now. I haven't passed the eval yet, but I'm like, what, $700, $800 away from passing an eval account. I'm more consistent. The discipline is getting better. I was having moments where it wasn't ideal, but the discipline is getting better. I know when to stay out of price, like today, stay out of the price action. This sucks. Like I said, I don't like to say I'm profitable yet because I'm not making anything yet, but theoretically, I'm no longer blowing eval accounts. So, yes. I hope that makes sense. Nobody corner. Frick. Hello. Trading view added into month. Keep your trading view plan. Listen here, Mudcrab. See, now Mudcrab's hopped on the let's be mean to Maya wagon. You know what? You know what? You're a magical fire. Magical Leopleurodon, Charlie. Please say you guys get that reference. Charlie the Unicorn, please. Please? Please. Please. You can't control ego, that's the whole thing. It's like not thinking about a pink elephant. You should try Lucid, it's the best. Zed, I can't use Lucid in South Africa, unfortunately. Nothing else ever being like your... Okay, sorry, wait. That's what Rip's comment to David. Okay, anyways. Am I Australian? No, I'm South African. Bounty on my head. Where are you from? Famous David, keep growing. Thank you. I appreciate it. Why is there a cow? Are you calling me a cow? Oh, no, you blew an eval cow. Okay, but I've heard silver has been absolutely wild. Give me a second. You're no longer blowing one. Now, eval, I can't stop it. Thank you, Silver Age 47. You guys are so sweet. Come on, Charlie. Thank you. Without I got wounded at least how many thoughts of it all, not worth boring you with. Thanks for asking that. Oh Lord, okay, well I'm glad you guys are like, no, you guys are being mean to me. Jeez, give me a second. I need to close. Hey Carrie, do you see this? I'm being absolutely bullied. Huh? You see it? I'm being bullied. Perry looks very concerned. Can I just say, Perry is very, very concerned right now. He agrees that you guys are bullying me and it's not nice. Anyways, and as my for the most part goes green when you're not. Here we go, naughty corner. Wow. Oh, good grief. Did someone put Mudcrab in a timeout again? I feel like Charlie in this chat sometimes. You know what? So do I. You just there going, what the heck is going on? Double tap the screen and hit that like button, people. Aw, thanks, Mudcrab. Yeah, guys, don't forget. Wow, people are being mean to you. Don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community. There is a Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, just pop a little pew, and I'll pop the link. It is in the description below. Yeah, feel free to join. I do have an accountability thing on the Discord. I'm gonna take it seriously. I know some of you won't take it seriously. That's fine. It's for me. Okay, and anyone else that wants to. Oh. Candy Mountain, Charlie. We're going to the Banana King. Banana. Sorry. Microwave? Yeah, no, FOMC was not great yesterday, but it's fine. Look up Planet Unicorn. What's that? Do I want to? It's like llamas with hats, guys. Llamas with hats was amazing. Hey, Element, what's up? I feel like I butchered that. My love's magical unicorn. To be fair, I sound like the. Do they have names? I don't even know if they have names. Oh my gosh, I forgot the names. Obviously, everyone knows who Charlie is, but do the other two have names? Probably the funniest is when they're walking and they're going, ring, ring, hello, ring, ring, hello. And they just keep doing that until Charlie absolutely loses it. Anyways, sorry, went on a very weird rant about Charlie the unicorn. Moving on. I was waiting on a sell-off and it just didn't even move. I mean, to be fair, the most annoying thing that I used to do to bug everyone when I was in high school was my ringtone was pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows, and it would just keep going on and on and on. I think there's like a 24-hour loop of that song. I don't even know if you can call it a song, but anyways, I used to do that. That annoyed a lot of people and it was really, really funny. Well, today is indeed a good day for lots of chit chats because this price action blows. I should, you're right. Whoever power abuses Mudcrab gets a 1-minute timeout. Because we love Mudcrab and Kara. Mostly Kara, but Mudcrab too. I'm joking. That's still your ringtone. I kind of wish that would be amazing. Annoy everyone. Don't put your foot anywhere near. Good grief. Wow. Hey Franks, what's up? I'm so sorry. If anyone's here that's just joined on, this is just chaos because the price action's not here. So we are having a good old time. Maybe today is the day we just go play putt-putt in Discord, but it's fine. Speaking of Discord, Kara, Mudcrab, come on. I'm waiting for you guys. Get your phone out right now and do it. This time out back. Wow. If it's actually being normal today. Oh, Dad, I'm not gonna put your time out. Wow. Why do you need the timeout? Diamante, this sounds very weird. I feel. Why are you out? Why? Hey, glass person, what's up? How you doing? How are you? Are you trading today? Putt-putt golf with a friend, hecky. Well, you see this, Mudcrab, you guys can't play putt-putt because you guys don't have Discord, just saying. Whoops. Okay, I'm just gonna switch in. I'm gonna just drink my coffee because I now can't move my chair because Perry. Are you serious? Well, I will. Yeah? Glass person, you're putting a trade in, really? I'm waiting for the price action to start moving. Waiting for confirmation. I mean, we still have a bit of time. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. I'm hoping that at the time I would normally clock off. Clock off? Is clock off the right word? Yeah. At the time I would normally call it, I'm gonna stay because I've noticed that sometimes it starts to get a little bit of a move on afterwards. So let's see. We're trading. Well, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Lord Farg. Sorry, I read that and I thought of Lord Farquaad. I'm from the Nasdaq futures. I'm from South Africa. What's up? And Uncle Ben's help. Hey. Hey. Is it Kismet? Manual? What's up? Sorry, I butchered that. Lots of consolidation typically means a bigger move is coming. Ooh, elevation code. Let's hope for some good price action during New York. The last few days have not been ideal during New York, so I'm hoping we get something good. Thank you, Nox. Nox, teach them a lesson. Yeah, you should feel terrible. Come on, Mudcrab. Come on, Kara. Let's do this. And to his uncle. He doesn't know who Uncle Ben is. From the Nasdaq futures. Long way from Iowa. Good grief. Oh, you're from Josie? There's a few South Africans here. What's up? Yeah, there's a bunch of South Africans here and in the Discord. I love it. I love it. All the South Africans unite. Nox, I think Geordie left. Geordie's also from South Africa. Where's all my South Africans? They were here OTT, but I think he's left. He wasn't here. Discord, where is it? Can't find it. Oh, it's in the description, but I can also add it here. M pattern and a retest cell. Ooh. You know what? I'm not even going to pretend to make a suspicion about where this is going to head, because again, it's literally going sideways. Have you seen the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart? It's not okay. It's not okay at all. Cara said she'll get onto it. Thank you. Pass. What is the name of Discord? Give me 2 seconds. Let's do this. So the link is in the description, but in case it doesn't work, here's another one. I know maybe you won't be able to. Hopefully. Let's see. Let me know if it works. Also, I'll change the description. Pink fluffy, that's now stuck in my head. There we go. How's that? One day I'll get there. Okay. Good. There we go. I'll be a South African. Do it, do it, do it. Okay. Done. There's the Discord link. I've been building a pontoon for our new house and moving in and cooking dinner and doing absolutely everything, wife stuff included. Oh, you guys are so cute. Good grief. Sure. I don't even think I've asked you guys this. How long have you been married for? Sorry, now we're getting personal, but it's fine. How many points do you try and aim for per trade? Microwave, it depends. Anyways, so my strategy is a 1 to 2 hour strategy. So, and sometimes I leave runners depending on where it is. Let's maybe show you. I can show you this one. It was an A+ setup. It just didn't work in my favor. You know, things happen. Should have maybe had a proper look at the price action, but it looked like the buyers had started to come to the party and we had a slow retest down, so I really thought that this would start to shoot up. It did not, so it's fine. Things happen. They aren't all winners. So in general, my strategy is a 1 to 2 hour strategy. I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. And I do try and leave runners as well. Yes. So with regards to points, yeah, it's more whatever the setup is. I go with it. When you attempt the volume profile so we can see your price for the rest of people like. I do know, just give me a sec. Oh damn, you're gonna be sleeping on the couch tonight, Mudcrab. But anyways, it makes sense now. Remember that, Mudcrab, stop it. She said far too much. That's hilarious. Same thing happened to me last night. Yeah, see it, microwave. And as long as it was an A+ setup, then it's fine, right? That was my whole argument. Like, I don't feel upset about this. Obviously, it would have been nice if it was a winning trade, but it was an A+ setup. I took the trade with the correct amount of contracts. I stuck with my rules. So one of my rules is when it reaches 1 to 1 R, I mitigate risk by half. So this was actually a half loss. And I came back down, took me out at a half loss. But like I said, it was A+. I stuck with my rules, so I'm happy. Even though it was a loss. It's all about discipline and consistency. And when you see your A+ strategy, take it. Because it's personally what I've been trying to overcome, the overthinking. Because normally I would see an A+ setup, overthink it completely, like almost talk myself out of it, and then miss a perfect winning setup because I overthought. So that's my new thing. It's I see an A+ setup, I have my confirmations, take it. So I guess I could potentially argue with this one that I should have waited for more confirmation that we have broken out of this range, but it's fine. Rolf, honestly, for it to start moving would be magical, but unfortunately we're stuck. We've been together for 11 years, married for 7. Damn! Can't find... Oh no! Why, Tyler? Can't find my Discord. If you guys are struggling to find Discord, please feel free to pop me an email as well. I'll just... well, I mean, it's teachmaya@gmail.com. Sorry, teachmayatrading @gmail.com. So you guys, if you guys are struggling to find Discord, please feel free to pop me an email. I'll send it to you directly then, and then you guys can click on the link and join. It should be in the description. Why is it not there? It's fine. There we go. Period to break that up. Let's see, I used to trade SMT, couldn't get on with it, but I had my first profitable month last month with failed breakdowns. Whoop whoop microwave, that's amazing. You deserve a whoop whoop for that. That is awesome. Here we go. That is amazing. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for your first profitable month. That's awesome. Well, I got it right. There we go, apparently. Do you know what I mean by volume profile? I do, Glass. Can't miss the South African accent. Hickey. I love it. More South Africans. Let's do this. Let's do this. South Africans for the win. I always get skeptical of good setups. There we go. See, it's really... Yeah, and that's the challenge, right? To stick with it. Trust in your setup. I think at the end of the day, that's it. Trust in your setup. Trust in your A+ setup. Know that it's never... Well, it's not always going to be a winner, right? I don't believe that... I know I'm going to get yelled at for this one, but I don't believe there's such thing as 100% win rate. Because, you know, the markets are... They're predictable, but to a degree. Can't tell the future. Can't tell what it's going to do. If you could, that would be cool, but anyways. No, that is market profile. Maybe I need to look harder. Oh no, it's okay. Like I said, you can pop me an email. You can't lose what you don't have, so go for it. There we go. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Pop me an email. I'll send it to you, Tyler. Don't worry. She was the one who actually saw me and hit on me. What? No, before she came and introduced herself to me, it was with another woman. Damn! Damn, Cara! That's impressive. I have 5 kids older than my crab's marriage. That is awesome. Damn, trucking for dividends. Don't give me a whoop whoop yet. I had a loss to my 8-day winning streak. No, but that's fine. This is my... Yeah, actually, this was my first loss. I also had a little bit of a winning streak. This has been my first loss since last week. Well, I wasn't able to trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so it was my first trade for this week and it was a little bit of a loss, but it's fine, right? It's still a whoop whoop because you're profitable and you're sticking with your rules, right? Sticking with your rules and going for it. It's that it feels too good to be true. When you feel too good about a trade, often you think, is there something I'm missing? 100%. You look and you're like, okay, but it did do this, or it could do this, or maybe it's done this and we're gonna get like caught out here. Maybe it's trying to trick me. You know, it's out to get me. It's gonna trick me into taking this trade and then it's gonna take me out. Brightest future, what's up? Please do me a favor and add it to your chat so it gets better. I mean, I can. What's the... Most you've profited in one day. Augustine, in one day, like I'm gonna. It was probably around 1,600, but that was more when I won't even say what I was doing was trading. I was more gambling back then. What I'm doing now is trading, and since that, the most I've made, and it was one single trade, was $610 in one trade. Like I said, back then it felt like I was more gambling, and that's when I was like blowing evals and yeah, I wasn't reading the charts, I was just jumping in. It was a disaster. It was absolute disaster. So I mean, that was the most I made in a day, but I don't feel like it counts. I'm not counting it. I'm counting the most that I made, and it was one single trade was $610. Kind of funny. We spend so much time trying to find an A+ setup, and when we find one, we second guess it. 100%. Chad, you're in a long position. Do you guys think it'll hit 26280? I mean, it's where I was gunning for earlier, but like I said, I'm not even going to be like absolutely or absolutely not, because right now I feel like it could do anything, but it looks like it's pushing a little bit higher for the buy side. So I'm gonna be optimistic for you. I'm gonna say yes, it's gonna hit 280. Not financial advice. Don't blame me on that one. We can blame FOMC. Exactly, microwave. It's okay. It wasn't us. Maybe some live tips. No one. We all do sometimes. Not exactly. Take an A, B, and C setups. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Bad idea. It really didn't work for me. Kara takes D trades. I just got that. Okay, moving on. Humming bee. That. Anyways. I had the same joke about two different people. She got the frying pan. Get him, Kara. Get him. I think today might be slow as yesterday, and tomorrow are big news days. No, roll. Yes, Nox. Kara watches the stream. Hey, Kara. Good. Did you beat him properly with the frying pan? Rest in peace, mud crab. Moving on. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 2 seconds. You guys, I'll be right back, Kara. Okay, sorry. Ooh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Don't lie back down. Chill there. Okay, there we go. There we go. What did I miss? Oh, I feel like I've missed a lot. Moving on. Jordy, you're back. What's up, Jordy? Microwave, are you asking me, do I play games or nah with regards to the computer? I do. I was actually playing some Xbox games the other day. Fable 3. I started playing it on the weekend again. It was one of the first Xbox games I actually played. Quite fun. Moving on, sorry. To send an email. Apparently dog me out, but well done on the designing the next one. What did I miss? I promise, but it was hilarious. Literally. Okay. Yeah, you messed up. I think you knew someone was involved, but I wouldn't tell him. Not even allowed to cook. Wow. Okay, okay. Nighttime for you. Hey, Eddie, what's up? Yeah. I mean, right now this price action kind of still sucks, so it's fine. We're just gonna continue. What all the snitches say. Yeah. I mean, this is disgusting. I'm just gonna quickly hide everything. Let's have a look at the higher time frames. Let's check the 1 hour. I mean, the 1 hour was a doji, and do we think this could retest back down into here? Potentially. Huh, potentially. How does the 4 hour look? Again, the 4 hour is literally going sideways. The 4 hour is just consolidating. Hey, Cherokee, what's up? My girl, how are you? Aw, thanks, Cara. I'm good. I can't complain. Well, I can and can't complain because this price action is just yucky. But we continue, right? I had a little loss, but it's fine. We continue. I'm hoping that maybe we get something again later. Maybe this starts to be some volume. That would be quite nice. Are we gonna get some volume going on? Let's do this. How did I get 1K subs in a day? I did not. Did I? No, I didn't. How many did I have the other day? I mean, yesterday. I did not get 1K in a day. Jody, I swear 240 level has held for 5 times. The one time I buy it, it falls out. No, Demonte, I'm so sorry. Oh no. Demonte. Am I saying it correctly? I feel like I'm still absolutely butchering it. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad if I mispronounce people's names. If I had $1 for every time I heard, let's check the 4 hour, let's check the 1 hour, how's the daily looking? I literally have millions, right? I like your hairband. Oh, thank you. Wait, this one? Or my little braids? Like I said, I could not deal with my hair being down today. It was too much. New York possible green bullish. Jose, let's see. Like I said, right now, I have no expectations for anything. We're waiting to see if there's actually some decent price action, and then I'll start to be like, finally we have movement, let's see what else is gonna happen. Thank you. This one, I saw 10.8K or something. No, definitely not yesterday. There we go, it was probably 11, so yeah. The mods be power tripping a little bit. Guys, careful. I will be demod you. That's not a thing. Is that a thing? That's not a thing. But I do have control of unbanning people. Oh no, there we go. Done. I didn't run. Settle my phone. I have to run. Oh, cheers, Rip. Enjoy. I hope you have a great day. Better than this price action right now. Huh. Here's the 4. Went up and then took the low. Interesting. Okay. My account has gone today. What do you mean it's gone today? I wonder who it would have been. Mud crab. Anyways, Rick, what's up? I can show you pictures sitting on between them and they just. Toddy. Oh gosh. Oh man, it's a great look. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bo Horror, what's up? Put on my phone. Hope I don't get banned. No, you got this, Tyler, you're okay. Just don't ban me. Mr. Krabs is annoyed at me now for taking his phone. Oh no. Oh no. Moving on. Bo Horror, because I'm trading London. Oh, sad face because I'm trading London. Well, I don't quite think you can call this trading right now. This is just sitting waiting for price action to price action, but shall we? Let's call this trading. We're going back down to VWAP. Okay. Scared me, whatever. The crap from your wife is crazy. Rick, where's my paper account? I'm not using a paper account. Why? Getting close to VWAP. Exactly. Maya, you died on this trade. I died on this trade? How did I die on this trade? Sometimes a picture of saying money, money, money like Mr. Krabs. Next time he's in a trade, please maybe just play him that noise. That'll be hilarious. He always says paid the duck. Does he actually say paid the duck?
Why are you even thinking this way?
He's using the lingo. That's why I say pay the crabs. That's awesome. I love it. I love it so much. Paid the duck indeed. Hi. Is VWAP a reliable tool? I use it as a confluence or maybe a potential like magnet for where price might want to head down to, but yeah, in general I use it as a confluence. I wouldn't quite say, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. Sometimes it respects, sometimes it respects the VWAP like properly and other times not so much. Hey Buffalo Soldier's grandson, what's up? I think I'm the duck, no? Mud crab? Are you the lucky duck? Oh wait. Never mind. No? Me no understand. Is it Easter Island or Christmas Island with the crabs? Oh, I nearly died. Hiding something is not bad for good intentions. What does paid the duck mean? Oh, so paid the duck, it was... Sure, I can't even remember how it came about. It was essentially... Take partials. So you've fed the duck, paid the duck, and it came because I called Rip a lucky duck the one day, and it happened. But essentially it's, you take partials so you are safe and then you go break even, so you're not out of the trade completely, but it's a green trade irrelevant of what happens next. So it's like a safe trade. So essentially paying the duck is taking partials. Buffalo Soldier grandson, what's up from Australia? Are you Australian also? That's awesome. What ticker am I tracking? I'm on the MNQ, so the Nasdaq futures, the macros. And the lucky duck, I'm happy listeners. He's been married to his wife. I mean, thank heavens, right? Or else I'm pretty sure the couch would be a very comfortable spot for him to be sleeping tonight. I don't like that it's just tapped into there. Yep, that's going down to VWAP. Let's short on the pullback. Hey, Yellow Cup, it's what I was kind of looking for. Here's that 50% retracement, but That being said, I'm not going to jump into this. I'm waiting for confirmation. It's now just taken out there, tapped into a bit of a fair value gap here. On the higher time frames, there's also a fair value gap. Maybe it's going to go mitigate some risk. I mean, I'm staying on still. Like I said, normally where I would hop off, now we start getting freaking movements. Annoying. When you ever see a big candle bigger than the previous candle for a reversal. Kind of. Partials? Yes, partials. So, oh, Cara, look at this. We're teaching you. I love it. So you can place a certain amount of contracts. So it's not just, oh, I guess sometimes it can be one contract, but let's say I placed 4 contracts here. I could take one out at a certain point. So then I've fed the duck and I go break even. So even if it comes back and takes me out, I'm still in the green. So I've still made something. And then I could take the rest at the full take profit or TP. See, Cara's learning stuff. I love it. I'm so keen for this. Buffalo Soldier Grandson, do I have a Discord? I do have a Discord. What's up? That's exactly cute. I've got the couch. Bounty on my head. What's my setup look like? This right here. This would be the setup. So enter at the 0.5 level. Again, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Ooh, TP would be right by VWAP. However, it has just tapped into this fair value gap. Let's get some more confirmation. So I have 1, 2, oh, I do have 3. But it's just taken out a lot of sell side liquidity. Let's have a quick look at the higher time frames. Bounce there. Place that like a chop. Tapped into fair value gap. For it to go a little bit higher would actually be quite nice. Oh, I do like this trade. Okay, let's check the 15-minute. Just gonna hide that for a second. Still more imbalance. Still going a little bit lower. For it to do a retest down to fair value gap would actually be quite nice. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. When I come down into this fair value gap. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Put that back up. Excuse me. Thank you. Hello. Except this is low-key running away. Don't run away. We're not scary. We're a little bit scary, but we're not that scary. I do like this. Okay. Mid order. Damn, why are we yelling? Oh, it's still going down, isn't it? It is still going down. Bounty on my head? Yes. VWAP, get a bucket up. Anyways. David, what's a VWAP? It's kind of cool. I'm learning exactly. My eyes always looking to take over. Okay, what does that mean? Am I not real? Oh, set up for the trade. Can you explain this? Or not? Yeah, of course I can. Except it's kind of going to my point of interest. But that being said, it's still an A+. Is it? Let me double check here. Got that imbalance, got my shelves, got some fair value gaps as well. Yep. Cool. So I might have to change that, however, but moving on. Voila. So my setup, sweet and simply, so my strategy is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. For me, an A+ setup has 3 or more confluences, so fair value gap, order block, volume imbalance, obviously VWAP is below, so it wouldn't be VWAP, but I'm just giving ideas, and shelves. The shelves, there is a better description. I did copy paste the description. I guess you could call them nodes. On my live stream last night, and a follower of my comment told me about your channel. I told her I would pop in and say hello and support you. Insiders trading futures, really?
Why are you even thinking this way?
That is amazing. Shout out for that. That's so nice. Thank you. Mad shout out. Thanks, Insiders Trading Futures. Huge shout out. Sorry, now I'm checking out your channel. Just for that, just for the support. I really, really appreciate it. Rule 30 of the internet. What's rule 30? Oh, you have 99 subscribers. Insiders Trading Futures, I will be your 100th subscriber. There we go. Just because you came to support. Mad love, thank you. Ta-da! That's way louder on phone than on Telegram. There's a cost of everything moment, but also education. Volume weighted average price. Yep. Yellow everything. Absolutely not, Alex. 175 is Michael's apparently. Let's see. We'll be right back. Okay, Tyler, don't worry. Card tonight, I sent nobody off. Hey, Chris. Ah, of course, Insider Trading Futures. I got you. You can't just mute comments you don't want her to see. That's amazing. That is hilarious, but it's valid. Yes, I am single, Chris. Oh, you guys are too funny. Anyways, I still see the comments. Oh, sorry, this is now not correct. Let's redo this so you can actually properly see. That is there. And this is there. Okay. It is an A+. I have shelves, I have a volume imbalance, I have a fair value gap. It already has 3. There is a few more, like it's going to take some liquidity, so there is potential for it to go down. Well, it's going to take internal liquidity, so there is a good possibility of it going back down. It's tapped into this order block, so test a little bit of a retest would be quite nice. Just going to watch the volume. And I'm going to watch how it reacts off of this bob level. If it's an absolute mad lad of a engulfing candle, I will probably say absolutely not, because normally when it comes to the bob levels, if there's a huge engulfing candle, it's going to go bob level to bob level, so I will then be like, no. If I let one get in the channel, alright lady, she's cool. Nox, Kara's awesome. Big candle in the previous. What about for potential entry short? Yes, I agree with you, Yellow Cup. I mean, it's kind of where mine is, so if we check on the 15-minute... See, that's promising. 15-minute, let's go here. Checky. It's literally midpoint of this bearish fair value gap. Yeah, a little tap into this node here. I'm not a massive fan of this wick that is created, but I've still got all my confluences for a short, so let's see. Whee! What the heck? Okay, let's go back to that. Anyways. Let's see if it retests that far up. Like I said, if I get a huge engulfing candle coming off of this bob level, no. Another locked into a choke. It's just back for a Michael.
That's what she said.
Anyways, go back to the trading. good rejection off of that level, so that's something. Let's keep watching. Save words, save lives. Oh no, seriously. What's my win rate with the strategy? 64%. Yeah, 64%. And it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy, and I do leave runners. Not always, but I do leave runners. Okay, let's see how this candle looks. If it's a massive engulfing one. Sweet and simply, hell no. A little pullback and off to the races. Samuel, let's see, right? Mud crab, it never works. Rejection, Michael. Okay, that's promising. That's promising. Okay, let's see how this looks. Created a little bit of an SMT there, so let's continue watching. Nox miners don't stop. Oh my gosh, Perry. Good grief. Good boy, it's okay. It's okay, good boy. Oh, come here. It's okay, you're such a good boy. Okay, sorry. He woke up scared of something. My poor boy. Unless he forgets how long he's been married. Yeah. You know, things happen. Things happen. Oh man. A little bit of retracement, didn't quite hit that 50% level. Let's see if this does go back up. Honestly, Nox, he is the coolest dog in the world. No, you know, don't mean to brag or anything, but he is indeed the coolest dog in the world. No! Gonna get me. Sad. Hey! Is it Jar or how do I hate mispronouncing names, but what's up? The bias right now is shorts. I'll do this just for you.
That's what she said.
Oh man. Okay. Well, I liked the setup, it just didn't come get me. I mean, we still have time. I can still leave this. This could still potentially be a really good one. Just staying hands off for now. Hands off. Let's see where this goes. Let's see if this heads in the correct direction. Check for higher high and higher low off that consolidation. Hey Tyler, what's up? What I actually done? Oh, that's rough. That's, well, I say that's rough. That's quite cute. Oh man. Got to tap in there. It's created there, took out that low. Not on ES though. This is why we keep ES open. ES retested a little bit higher. Not quite where I would want to see a test on ES either though. Wonder if it's going to retest that far up. Would have 1, 2, it would have 2. Shoot, the problem is that it's in the middle of a bob level. If this was higher up, it would be more favorable? An even better trade, rather? You can come back after it liquidates the swing low. Let's see, bounty on my head. Let's see. You're targeting a breakaway gap. I guess it should be open for more bearish price action. My news of the world. My is very humble, very patient, very beautiful, and very amazing. And talented. Oh, Cara, you're so sweet. Bull markets have no roof. Bear markets have no floor. Bull markets have no resistance. Bear markets have no support. It's alright, damn. So what I'm hearing is just good luck. I'm going long after 9 EMA crust. I'm buying at 400k. Used account tomorrow. Maybe next week I could trade with you. Oh, okay, Tyler. Let's do this. What's up, Franks? Why are you saying that scares me when you say like that. What's up? Yes, get used the word batting out of the sentence. Oh, good grief. Wait. Still following this down. I'm gonna cancel this because I'm pretty sure it now has to be 4 contracts instead of 5. Or else I'm over risking, which is not what we want. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Like I said, just sugar honey iced tea right now. There are more imbalances for not tons though. Like there's still a lot of sell side liquidity, don't get me wrong, but damn, like I said, the Asia session actually looked amazing. It looked amazing. Do I still have my 4? I do. 4. My 3. I have 1, 3. Still have my 3. It's still valid. So let's do this. No, I lied. It's still 5. Okay. The double bottom's not looking super promising. If this is a flat trade, created a volume imbalance on. Yes. What's up? This might start to push lower down. No shit, man. This was like an A+ setup on ES. Huh. Interesting. Let me just check this quickly. Oh, not quite. I mean, that would have been interesting, but anyways. Sorry. Ignore me. I'm looking at things. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good grief. Okay, let's see where this goes. I say that's a continuation of bears. Let's see. Look at the time. Oh, yeah. I know, don't worry, Nox. I'm staying on a little bit later today. Okay, thank you. My chat have to go. He wants his phone back. Cheers, Cara. Love you madly. Discord, sorry, he hasn't made one yet. He's been extremely, but that's valid. I know. Cara, what's your excuse? You also need to make a Discord, just saying. Is that looking like a lower low? It does. You have to be in there. Model showing I got limit entry at 249. Oh damn, okay. So 249 would be, let's see. But the problem is that looks very close to my my stop loss. Take care, I love you. Oh, thank you. No, that's all. Yeah, exactly, Cara. You also have to make one, just saying. Okay, but we still have this little bit of a wick. I'm still gonna watch how this reacts here. Was right by VWAPs, didn't quite tap into it yet. Watching the volume as well, because that was a strong rejection down. What you wanted to see a bit more of that continuation. Sorry, I'm talking to myself, don't mind me. Don't mind me, I'm sure you guys are so used to me just chit-chatting away. It's created lower. It's promising. Okay. I'm a tiny bit nervous for this one, which is not great. You don't want to say you're feeling nervous, but let's see. What's the 15-minute looking like? Let's check the 15-minute tile up. Tis the 15-minute here. Sorry, let me actually do this so you can see better without all the noise. Here's the 15-minute. Did tap into a little bit of an imbalance. So I wanted to go back into this fair value gap. I mean, there's a lot of shells and not support, resistance up here. So that's quite nice. Okay, I still like it. I do still like it. So it's hands off. Hands off for me. This is what the 15-minute looks like. We are creating some lower lows as we go. No, higher lows, sorry. Never trade with me. I know, I know. Oh, Mud Crab, we never put up with her. Just saying. My friend, if you're looking for shorts. Never to use with S&P and Q. That looks for long. To look for sales. Thank you, Tyler. I agree. How obvious are going for bears? You're going with bulls. No, no, no. I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, I'm looking for a short, Tyler. Don't worry. I'm personally much cooler. Are you serious? That is so cool. Oh, check it. I'm definitely gonna check this out now because that sounds amazing. I can't believe you did a post. Aww. Aww. I absolutely love this. You are so sweet. Thank you. And now you have 101 subscribers. Shout out. Shout out. Mad love. Can I share that post? I think I can. I'm gonna share it. No, I will. Where did it go? Come back. Come back. Where did it go? Where did it go? I've lost it. Ah! There we go. I found it. Don't. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. The brain cells are just going ding, 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 but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Can you share? I think you can. I can share. Good grief. Okay, I will share it later. Oh no. I'm watching this on the 15-minute. No emotions? No emotions. It's an A+ setup. Leave it alone. I like that it's going slowly up. That's what you want to see. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Check this out. I'll put all my confluences back on. Okay. So don't worry, Tyler. Me and you are looking for the set. What am I doing? I'm doing that. Oh! Brain! 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 This is what it's doing! Good grief. Can you check the 4 hour and daily? I can. Oh, Samuel, you say go long. Great. You know, you have earned band immunity. Fires are hanging in there. They are, but that's that. Hey, Mudcrab, don't scare me. I don't know. It's about support and community. Create a grind. Keep it up. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. I think I've been banned like 12 times today, Mudcrab. Wow. Okay, at the 5 minute broken, it's high yet? No. You have 20 time out on 2 ban. Zoom out. Sure, on the 1 minute, or are you talking about like, must I go to the 4 hour? See, it did tap into this little bit of an order block, so I was waiting for a little bit of a rejection. Does this look a little bit like a W formation? I'm really bad with these W formations. It would be 1, 2, 3, shoot. So that'll be 4, which means there might be a little bit of a retest. I'm really bad with it. It's the MMXM, right? MMX? I'm not great at spotting those. I have my confluences, leave it alone. Go along up to 240. I'm entering a short. But check 4 hour for couple, sure. Let me just close that. This is, I mean, the 4 hours sucks. Like, let's not even start to talk about the 4 hour. The 4 hour is not okay. Look at that. The 4 hour is just going sideways. Oh, you can time those with lunch. Oh, really? Yep, just sideways. No, exactly. The 4 hours just sideways. But I'm in this, so I have been tagged in. So back to the 1 minute. Let's do this thing. It's a loss, but I stuck with my rules. Ooh, yucky. There we go. Oh, it does look like a W formation, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Stick with it. Stick with it. Stick with it. Stick with it. Okay. Take that across. Whee! There we go. We are now officially in it. First one is right here. Two. Okay. Let's make this a buy limit. At that point, we have VWAP. This we do not have confluences apart from that little bit of an imbalance there, so that's okay. And I'm trying to decide if I leave a runner or not. Potentially to... I don't know. I don't know if I should leave a runner or not. Oh, thanks, Platinum Player. How are you doing? You're in that... What is it? If you're gonna be in the midst of a retest. There's 4 there. Cool, 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 cool. On your hands, you know the drill. The 100%. I'm just... Okay, but where do I leave a runner to? Right. Here looks good. 2, 2, and runner. Okay. Now I sit on my hands, right? Until it reaches where's midpoint. Here's midpoint. So I'm gonna leave it there. It's right by that imbalance. Cool. Yeah, that's around midpoint. Okay. On your hands, you know the drill. 100%. I'm sorry, Yellow Cup, did you just say Asia low? Asia low? What? What? Like Asia low? Bruh, that's a lot. I tapped into the 50 on ES as well. If it goes, okay, let's just, can we please, if this goes to Asia low, that is, it's a great distraction. $7R. Okay. My target is 125. I mean, to be fair, if I was gonna leave a runner, it would probably be the next Bob level. Again, maybe that's pushing it. But damn, Asia low, whoa. Okay, potentially. Not Asia low. My target is fine, I'll look at you. That's for the runner. Good. Yeah, no, it's for the runner, 100%. 175. Why there? What's at 175? Was it this order blocky here? Is that why you picked 175? TP for short 985. Yeah. No, not 985. 985. Come again. Come again. 25985. 985. Brother Bear, are you good? 985. 985? Yeah? Tyler? Are you good? What? Okay. I'm not even paying attention to what this trader's doing. I'm just so like... You really have it at 985? Is that the file on volume profile? The... sorry if this is a dumb question, but the vol? What does that mean? Army strength is life. That's midpoint here. Yeah, around there. Okay. I'm in. I'm putting it there. No financial advice. Damn. Okay. I'd be tempted to leave 2 runners in right now, but definitely leave 1 runner in your block. Set my target at 1-7. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I could take... One out. 3. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Yeah, buy limit, so 1. Then I do have 2 runners. Let's test this. See, my first one I wanted around here, which is the 177. So I'll put the first one there at 177. And then the other runner, I'll put it Asia low. That's the let's see. I'll have a, if it gets there, right? We are a little bit stuck here. So let's see. If it gets there, I will then just do a trailing stop. Hey, USD with that? Yeah, we're 7% of the most contracts, I'll say. Short's heavy or not enough. Can you set my 175? I can, I got you. I mean, it's so close to mine. There it is. There's Mud Crab. Okay. Okay, it's in a bit of a thing here. Let's see. Thanks, Mud Crab. Let's see. Don't put it on Asia low. Just started my trading journey. I'm in this with you. Oh, okay. No pressure, no pressure. Just a reminder, this is not like financial advice, guys. I'm also still fairly new at this. So I'm not always going to be accurate. I'm not always going to be on point. I'm going to make mistakes. Just in case people are hopping on, there's going to be like, she knows what she's doing. Not always. But it's mother. Yeah, that's fair. No, I felt the oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. Why is the main chat portrait? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Nasdaq breaks now. Well, I think for sure they'll go and break first all-time high. Bernard, you think so? Why? Okay, well, it's hands off regardless. 2985, I think so. Okay, Tyler, damn. I love it. Don't even say it, David. Whatever you would. Okay. Oh, good grief. It would be nice to see a tick VWAP on ES as well, to be fair. Okay. Hands off. It's here. Because all other markets broke the all-time high, NQ hasn't. Which means the NQ is a little bit weaker, right? gold sell book. Hey Santosh, what's up? How you doing? Like I said, we are indeed in this. So was an A+ setup. Now I leave it alone. The portrait means they came into stream on the bell notification. Get our stream and search in the YouTube. They'll get a full chat. It's kind of oh, weird. Okay, sorry about that. I think sorry. Apologies. Sorry if it's weird. I'm very sorry. But I worked that out a little while. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, Mud Crab. Like I said, I'm hands off now. I'm hands off until it gets to this point. Yes. Yeah, around here is the 50-50 level. Then I'll mitigate risk by half. Otherwise, it's hands off. You could do for yourself on trading your indicators. Type ICT pivot points. It marks out all the Asian highs and lows. So I did have a indicators type ICT pivot points. Okay. No price history. All-time highs don't succeed each other between the two. So don't assume one has to keep making new highs. That makes sense. That makes sense. Good grief. Okay. ICK. Oh no! I moved my mouse up and I was like, did it hit the fit? No, it did not. The 50's down here. Leave it alone. Hands off. It should help you. Thanks, Tyler. I'll pop it on. Thanks, Mudcrab. Yep. Take a little dip there. Just gonna have it like this, so we can see this here. Respecting that a little bit too well, but it's okay. Hey Evan, what's up? How you doing? Devontae, yeah, I'm having fun. Look at the time. No, I'm staying a little bit later recently because I've noticed that majority of the time, once I've then like clocked off, that's when volume actually starts picking up. So I've decided to spend a little bit of extra time during the London session. So yeah, I spend a little bit of extra time during the London session now. See how it goes. I'm hands off though. I'm hands off. I need 240. No, but like 240 is so close to my stop loss. It's gonna freak me out. Why? Oh, I love it. I love it. 245. David, time out. Do it. By adding it, it's for free. I want to see your reaction. I want to see your. Okay, wait. So it's the. Give me a second. It was ICT pivot points. This one? The T flab? That sounds terrible. Is that the one? It looks like a small monster. Okay, let me start, then it goes there, then I can hide it. Okay, so there's London. Hey, see, so I got that word marked out and the Asia high. Ah, so it just basically does that for me, right? There's a London session for now, I guess. That's why it's a bit like that. Yeah, here's Asia low. Okay, so it's nice to know that I've marked things out correctly. What's this what's this PP? Sorry. What is this? S1. What does I'm gonna say this and then I know people are gonna laugh at me. What does PP stand for? This. Not make things much simpler if you don't have to go do the hard work. I guess that's fair. It's going to be a slow short. That's okay. Point. Thank you. I was like, I knew you. I was waiting for someone to say something inappropriate, but thanks. Thank you for elaborating without being weird. Much appreciated. I was waiting for someone to be weird with regards to that, but thank you, Insider Trading Futures. You are awesome. Okay. But we are indeed in this thing. Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. Well, still hasn't reached 50% level. Wait, let's see what's close to this level. So maybe there's a point here. No, not really. 50% is pretty accurate there, and then there's a little bit of a volume imbalance there. This might be a very slow short, you guys are correct, but we're in this now. We're all in this together. Nailed it. I should go into idols. Thank you. No. Much better. Okay, well, still hasn't reached. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. That was a big bounce off of the bob level. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Shoot. That's not what I want to see.
That's what she said.
Now this is what a short long is, Maya. Minecraft, I get it. I get it. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah, break past it. Yes, okay. That's better. That's better. That's better. Yes! Okay, now I can mitigate risk by half here. It's half. Okay. So sticking with rules, I'm pretty sure. Wait, let's see. Let's just confirm that this is indeed half. Yeah, it's close enough to half. That's fine. Okay, so risk has been mitigated now. It reached the 1-to-1 level, so that's fine. And now it's hands off. Again, hands off. Sticking with rules. Sticking with rules. Sticking with rules. Never time you definitely get it. XD mitigation. And heck yeah. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I appreciate it. But yes, it's hands off still. Come on. Okay, I'm glad. Sorry, the hiccups are back. I'm glad it didn't do there what I was hoping it didn't do there, so that's good. Yeah, break down further. There we go. Okay, so risk is indeed mitigated. We have partials at the low. And a runner all the way there, right by mud crabs, so that's cool. This is an S tier setup. Ooh, S tier like anime, where it's like like D, C, B, A, and then S is just supreme. I wonder why S is higher than A, but anyway. Shorty's TP, I think, is 163. Aw, thanks, CM. You're very sweet. PP equals point. Thank you, guys. Ace for super. Thanks. Maya, are you trading the prop accounts? I am. I'm still on a prop. Yeah, still on a prop account. My very, very special education. Yep. Well, thank you. Insider Trading Futures. Do you also use props, or what's your go-to? What's your thing? Hey, Fimsy the kid. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I am indeed in this trade right now. It's reached my 1-to-1 level, so I've mitigated risk by half. Very nice volume imbalance on ES, so I'm hoping it rejects properly off of that. That would be amazing. Am I doing 24-hour stream again? What's going on? Oh no, High Life. I'm staying a little bit longer, and I'm now in this trade. I came to realize that when it comes to London, actually some volume happens normally at the time I would clock out. So I staying a little bit longer for the London session. Flimsy, what strategy? So I use market auction mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Frying pan is back out. You're gonna see a big red candle around 26200. No. No, don't say that. It needs to be sooner. Of course, have a personal, but prop firms are my go-to. Which prop firms do you use inside trading? Ah, yes, inside trading futures, there we go. Let's be honest, she's only staying longer because she's in a trade. No, no, no!
Nice.
Mad crab, normally I would have left it like 12. When did I place this trade? Place this trade much before 12. Englishing. I like this. Oh, thanks. Yeah, guys, actually, speaking of, don't forget to press that like button. We are indeed in this trade. That was that rejection I wanted to see. It didn't quite touch that volume imbalance on ES though, but I'm glad that it's rejecting. That's a very flat top going on over there. Okay. Whoop whoop. Oh, thank you. Trading Nasdaq this early. Hey, yeah, I am. Point proven. Chart Wiggles is suggesting that the rejection is headed for LTP. Chart Wiggles, I love it. We're just gonna keep calling it Chart Wiggles. New shelf. Oh, you're correct. There is a new shelf. Hey! See, the shelf is gonna catch on, guys. I feel like I need to copyright the shelf, even though everyone knows what. But yeah. Does the shelf make sense, Mudcrab? Does what I say about the shelf make sense? Like, am I talking rubbish, or does the shelf portion make sense? I don't love that it's stuck on this bob level. I need it to break below this. Don't get stuck there. Let's go down. Dang, what indicators do you have? I noticed you have to. Oh, don't worry, Eddie. So these are old ones. So while I was still learning, as you can see, there's a few. As you can see, I literally only have VWAP on, and I did the pivot point now. But I had like fractals, I had super trade, I had trading sessions, I had fixed volume profile and zones, fair value gap and balance zones. So there was quite a few. Well, you know, while I was learning, I was checking out a few. I guess I could get rid of some of these actually, but yeah. Sorry. Your TP was 701. So I have one TP at, I have a partial at 197.18. More of my full TP at the 1 to 2 hours, 190.25. Let's see. So I haven't taken a partial or anything yet, by the way. Is there an alpha on that shelf? No. Doesn't actually mean exactly what you think it means. I just don't know if you completely understand why a new shelf is created. I tried to teach you the other day, so maybe it's in your notes. No, you did. You explained it. I have it. 12 horse markets. Pay the duck. It's crazy. A couple of the ones I use now. Really? Nice. Okay, there we go. Winning. So keen for it. Okay, broken below. Wait, let's see. Mudcrab, you mentioned it like this. Let me get my notes up. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a flip, or the other way, it's a roll reversal because it didn't respect the previous resistance, so the shelf was an imbalance, which tested negative. Yes, which tested negatively, which creates a roll reversal. Yes? I was about to say I was going to offer putting all of them into one indicator. Oh, interesting. There's one indicator. I use Velinox, Top Step, Apex, Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader! Sorry, that was the one that does like instant day payouts, right? So if you make a certain amount, you can like withdraw that amount that same day, correct? But if I legend lose it, oh my goodness. In that case, yesterday it did, yes. Oh, there we go, okay. Oh, shoot. I don't like that coming off of the bob level, but it is what it is. I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. Can you guys watch this trade for me? Oh, I'm gonna squish my dog. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, still in this thing. You're right, this is definitely going to be a long trade. Better get comfortable, damn. The daily payouts after the buffer. That's quite cool. Fund futures, coffees. Maybe I need another coffee. I can't speak English, it's fine. It's fine, it's just resistance from buyers. Create an imbalance in itself, which would technically be a negative retest, which again, would create a new shelf. Okay, that makes sense. That does make sense. I like that. Okay. Either way, it is still hands off. It's still hands off. Yeah. Like I said, I do like this trade, so we're doing this. We are doing this. Looking at the time, I just might be late for the New York session, it's fine. What about my microphone? What happened? Who right now is in a short... I don't want to say with me, but who's in a short? Husa? Why Husa? What's up? Oh my gosh, I can't type. I can't speak English. I'm just not doing a great job right now. Okay, let's see. Remember the buyers didn't have the volume earlier? Yes. It should come down. So basically a new shelf just means a negative retest in layman's terms. Not always, but it means refresh, and that's where you get your new shelf. I'm hands off, it's lunch. Hey Hado, I mean that makes sense, right? It does make sense, but it's fine. What trading method is this called? Wyckoff, ICT? Market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC. Confluences. We call it the TMT. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna claim that. Mudcrab, I'm in short. I'm with you. There we go. That's hilarious. He's just short. 4 6 spins coming down. Not a lot. Let's see. Hey, Elf. What's up? How have you been? I have no runner. Just TP 2175. Damn, that otter. You say it's an otter. So we have so many different ideas of what this damn creature is. We have it's an otter. We have it's a beaver. I say it's a... Is it called a prairie dog? I think it's a prairie dog. I don't actually know what it is. I don't know. Yep. It's amazing. It's happening. Been in short macro term for 52.510. I'll leave it to beaver. There we go. I was gonna make a very bad comment. I was gonna say what to scream, but never mind. So you are short. Amazing. It's a Justin Bieber. That okay? There we go. That wins. That wins. It's called Justin Bieber from now on. That is awesome. Okay, so we got nope there, and ooh, okay. So there's a few people in the shorts. I love it. I love it. I know a lot of people are probably hands off right now because it is lunchtime. Got it. Understandable. I got it. I'm just working just a short. Yeah, for you, research I'm control strategy on SPX. Okay, I'll check this out. Let me copy and paste it in my notes. Shots were taken. Whoop whoop. Okay, so there's some partials taken. Why has this not changed? I don't like that, but okay. Thought it was supposed to change. Moving on. No. Yes. Please don't mess this up. Please don't mess this up. Please don't mess this up. Okay, we're good. That scared me for a minute. Is it a limit? It is a limit. Is it a limit? No. Yes. No. What? Does it matter? Should it be a stop or a limit? Sorry. I'm having a moment. I'm blowing strategy. Thank you. You research and analyze the chart doc. 100%. Me Justin, it's a beaver. Amazing. Thanks, Bud Crab. Just a beaver. Thanks, Bud. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. You guys are amazing. And limit order partially executed. Partially executed? Oh, it's taken out one contract. Come on, take out both of them. There we go. Okay, so we now have 2 left. We have 2 left. I'm actually gonna put this over here. Change that to 2. Still be a limit buy, right? Any day, please. Thanks. There we go. This one also changed. Hell no. Okay. Thank heavens I saw that. Whoa. Can you imagine? Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Okay, moving on. So this is now 1. Oh, I would have been a grumpy goose if that did that to me. Anyways, this is definitely a limit buy. Okay. Am I being dumb right now? What's the difference between a buy stop and a buy stop limit? I feel like I'm being dumb right now. Oh, thank you, Yellow Cap. Yeah, so winning. This is a win. Now we have 2 runners. Okay. Hit that like button, guys. Oh, thanks, Nutcrab. Yeah, guys, don't forget to click that like button, but we're doing this. Hi Life, where's your account info? I don't have it on TradingView, but it's here. Here's the balance. You can see what the balance is, so it's now up. I'm up 160. That's not right. Oh no, it's just what that's up. Never mind. I'm up to 609. Yeah. Nope, now back down slightly. Good grief. Okay, let's see. Was in a Nigerian channel so cool. I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. Looking out. Hi Life, did you take it off? No, it's because I'm no longer using Project X. I'm on TradingView, so it's a bit. It doesn't show the P&L and stuff, which kind of sucks, but it's fine. Yeah, Hi Life. It's okay. It's okay. Honest, that 15-minute green candle was the perfect entry. You had what you call a fair value gap there, 100%. Any problems? Not currently. I mean, it's a little bit, I don't want to say laggy, but it's not like instantly, you know, entry filled. Like sometimes I can see that the entry has been filled, but it's a bit delayed with telling me that, if that makes sense. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Tyler. What did I use as the high of the flip tool? Bounty, the range. The high of the range. So I went high of the range to low of the range. So top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% retest for the range. That's it. Now I can... Again, guys, what's the difference between a buy stop and a buy stop limit. I'm sorry, I feel really dumb actually asking that question. I feel like I should know that. But it gave me both options, and now I'm like, I don't know. Does it make any difference? Like, would this make any difference? Or Project X feels better. I agree, but Project X is no longer really a thing for most... Well, at least for top one. It wasn't a thing anymore, so I had to do a little bit of a change, so fine. Guaranteed full potential. A buy stop triggers a market order, guaranteed full potential. High slippage, a buy stop limit triggers a limit order. Precise price control, no guarantee of full. Oh, okay. Cool. So it's fine what I have there. Write this in your notes. I got it. Let me. Hey! Whoop whoop. Okay, so there's my one runner taken out, so that's cool. Just adding this to my notes quickly. One runner taken out. So let me now cancel this. This can low-key actually stay here. Mudcrab, did it get you or not? Did it get you? Okay. Place there. Hola runner. It did tap into VWAP on ES, so let's see. Not a dumb question. Yep, you're fine. Speaking of line is acting like an old guy. Wow. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. Okay. Buy limit order sets maximum price below the current market price to enter position with a discount or better. Conversely, a buy stop order is placed above the current market price to enter. So, okay, but with regards to this, like using it as a runner, is it a good or bad one to have? Damn, Mudcrab! Okay, so whoop whoop for both of us. Hey, I think we deserve this. Whoop whoop, guys. Ayo. When it decides to work, there we go. Whoop whoop. Amazing. Nice. Nice. Sorry, I laughed at the same time I breathed in and I nearly died. Coming back to 200s. Like to bob level? Why? Ayo, Nox! Yeah, let's see. See, Nox, I do listen to you guys. That's the point, right? The point is indeed to listen to you, but that being said, this has now gone. Let me quickly do this. 146. Makes it about midpoint-ish. I'm gonna move this slightly down to around there. Where would the 50% level be of this? Why is it doing that? Why? What? Make this make sense? Why did it do that? Sorry, as you can see, I'm still figuring this out. Oh, I'm scared. This is gonna do something dumb. Okay, that's fine. That made me a little bit nervous, but it's okay. Moving on. Okay, where's the 50% of this? Shush. Don't be mean. Jordy will be happy. I have to explain to you or something, because it would take me 25 paragraphs to tell you about. Okay, no crap. Well, again, just saying, someone has to get Discord in order to do that. But that's okay. Did you understand the difference between the two 17 points? Whoop. You did good, kid. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? Did I put a buy stop limit? I did. Why? See what happens when you actually listen to my trades. Listen here. I also listened to my A+ setup. Okay. Speaking of, where was it? It's around here. Here. I did leave a runner to here. This runner seems crazy, but it's okay. How much profit, so I can tell you how much left to pass eval. Well, it doesn't tell you exactly, but I'm on around 548. Yeah. So I need like $450 to pass eval. Am I buying now? No, I'm still in a short. Hey, Courtney. I mean, Tyler, sorry. Logged in on your wife's account. That's awesome. What's up? Hey, Jody. What's up? We get a whoop. We did get a whoop. And I do have a runner all the way down to Asia Low. I don't know if that's cheeky. We got a whoop, Jordy. It summoned Jordy. You're right. Everyone logged into their wife's accounts today. I love it. Well, Nox, that took me a second to realize what you just said about Mudcrab, but it's okay. You're making money as it goes up. No, Haro, I'm not. I'm not making money as it goes up, only when it goes back down, but I do have... If it takes me out here, I'm still in the green, so it's fine regardless of what happens. Oh, it might come and take me out here, but it's okay. It's okay. So there would have been 50% of this. Let's see, would this have been an A+ setup? One, two. It's okay. It's an okay one. Like I said, this might take me out there. It's fine. It's fine regardless. You know, it was yesterday. I'm so sorry I missed it. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I apologize for missing that. No, it's not. My chart is not 8 to 5 minutes behind. It's definitely not 10 minutes behind. Get in that. No. Eddie, seriously, how is it 8? Now you're making me really concerned. It should not be 8 to 10 minutes behind. This is on time. If it is, can you tell me if it hits my TP? Just let me know. Did it hit my TP? Yeah? Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, you didn't miss much. My name is Beaver. That's about it. It's Justin Beaver. Get it right. No, let's not be... Like I said, as it is, I feel very greedy aiming for Asia Low over there, but it's fine. Let's continue. It's not behind, you got to. Thank you! I was really concerned. I was like, oh, shoot. Speaking about, oh, shoot, this is gonna go back up. Yep, it's fine. It's hands off either way. We are in the green, made up for the half loss that we had earlier. Yeah. Oh, come on. We are 1 subscriber away to 300. Do it. David, give him a chance. Yeah, literally. Oh, no, this is gonna take me out. And there we go. But that's okay, guys. Hey. Okay. So I had my trailing stop. Shoot. There we go. Let's see if this does eventually go, because then... Let's see. Like I said, I am low-key forward testing if it goes a little bit further, but... The runner was nice, but that was an auto buy, right? Our strategies are very different. That's okay. We live and we learn. Exactly. Oh no, I'm behind. I'm confused. That's okay, Eddie. Don't stress. Need to stop talking to you. You really do. I'm nearly whooped back the way every time. No worries. Imagine this now goes to, it's fine. I'm going to come back later and see what this has done. I'll put this here out of curiosity. I mean, listen, guys, I took a partial further down and this one was taken there, so it's kind of made up. I got full TP, so I'm up $597. I mean, I'm not up 500, sorry, but yeah, I'm on 52,597. So I need like $400. Let's see if we can get a winner during New York session. If, right, I did have a half loss and now a win. So that was awesome. Okay, let's actually just move this out the way while I take a screenshot of this to post in Discord and keep this going. Discord. Wee. Speaking of Discord. Mud crab. No pressure. Excuse me. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. That was very grandma vibes of me. Anyways. Okay. Closer to Eva, exactly. Oh, our strategies are not very different. Got it. What's your strategy, Harold? Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I really appreciate it. Plus replace, what's up? Okay. On that note, I mean, we're getting there. Half loss and then, yeah. And then a nice win there. Sure, actually, Mudcrab, that hit your TP and then went straight back up. What the heck, man? Literally, it just tapped you out. Oh, thank you, Hazel. You're very sweet. Oh, thank you. Good grief, stop that. Okay. I'm gonna head to the horses. You guys have been amazing as always. Thank you for joining. Whoop whoop. I'll be back for the New York session. I hope you guys join me. I love you guys madly. If you guys are gonna go to bed, I hope it's, you know, good night. Sweet dreams. Yeah, like I said, you guys are amazing. I'll be back New York session. Don't forget to press that like button. Let's make this let's make this community amazing. And there is also Discord. If you can't find it, just pop me an email. I love you guys madly. See you later. Bye.